Hey everyone, welcome back to the Honest Mirror. In today's lesson, we're learning 10 powerful idioms. Listen carefully to the meaning, understand the usage, and notice how naturally they fit into daily conversation. Let's begin. First idiom is a plum job. This expression refers to a highly desirable, well-paid, or comfortable job. After years of hard work, she finally landed a plum job at a multinational company. Everyone in the office wanted that plum job because it offered high salary and flexible hours. The next idiom is a shrinking violet. This idiom means someone who is extremely shy and avoids attention. Don't mistake her silence for weakness. She's not a shrinking violet when it comes to defending her ideas. He used to be a shrinking violet in school, but now he confidently speaks in front of large audiences. Now we have a little bird told me. This is used when you want to keep your source of information secret. A little bird told me that you're planning to move abroad next month. A little bird told me it's your birthday tomorrow, so I've prepared a surprise. Moving on to like chalk and cheese. This idiom highlights a strong contrast between two things. Although they are twins, their personalities are like chalk and cheese. City life and village life are like chalk and cheese in terms of pace and lifestyle. Next up is, I wasn't born yesterday. This statement shows that you're not foolish or easily tricked. Don't try to fool me with excuses. I wasn't born yesterday. He may look young, but he wasn't born yesterday. He knows exactly what you're doing. The following idiom is, it's written all over your face.
This suggests that someone's emotions are clearly visible.
You don't have to say you're upset. It's written all over your face. The excitement was written all over her face when she heard the good news. Here comes, I lost my train of thought. People say this when they suddenly forget what they were saying. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. What was I explaining? The sudden noise distracted him, and he completely lost his train of thought during the presentation. Let's talk about off the hook. This means being released from blame, responsibility, or trouble. When the real culprit confessed, she was finally off the hook. Thanks for helping me finish the report. Now I'm off the hook with the manager. Next is a wolf in sheep's clothing. This describes a person who appears harmless but is actually dangerous or dishonest.
Be careful of him. He acts friendly, but he's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
The scammer looked trustworthy, but he was a wolf in sheep's clothing. Finally, we have under the weather. This expression means feeling slightly ill or unwell. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll skip the meeting. She looked under the weather, so her friends advised her to rest. So, which idiom did you like the most? Comment below and try using one in your own sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Honest Mirror for more powerful English lessons. See you in the next video.